Get Nice Bullies, Houston, Texas, Devin, Brandon Bratcher, what up? Family First, what's happening? Hector.
Brian! Branson, come see!
What I told you about that? Trying to shine on me on camera.
Guess what? Branson, come see! Branson, our good friends at Wasp Sports just delivered the Wopet!
Hey, Mr. Dennis.
What is the Wopet? The Wopet is the automatic dog feeder for the puppies! Branson! I just want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Wasp Sports in regards to the Wopet feeder. There's a link in the description for a 10% off site-wide promotion discount. I hope you guys find this video very helpful and enjoy the promotion. Are you ready to go get it?
Yeah.
Well, let's go! Oh my God, look at it. Oh, this is the... Can you believe this?
Yeah. Yeah, Dad. This is cute. What does it say? Oh my God.
Let's see what it says.
Don't you tell me what it is.
Pet goo. Wow. All right, guys, let's go inside and let's open it. This is so funny. This is gonna be awesome.
Yo, excuse all time. You
Bam.
been potty training.
Oh man,
You better
Branson,
sure
come see.
it's under.
Oh man. Pull up. Watch your fingers. Only adults cut with scissors, okay? Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, so this is what they did. They sent 2. So guess what? Because they're such good friends of Royal Kennels, they sent 2, and we get to bless somebody with 1. Because what is sharing?
We appreciate that love. Thank you for following.
Man, give me 5, girl. Give me 5, buddy. Yes. The Wopet Automatic Pet Feeder for cats and dogs.
Hey, everything was happy.
I believe it's white.
2. Branson. Mr. Ian down, hey, what's up?
Another box.
Yes, it's packaged safely.
Eric Robinson, yeah, he's doing
Dynamite!
Wow.
Wow. Look how cool this is. Okay, so guys, what is the first thing you do when you get a package? Girl, you rocking the day.
Yeah, I
know
know.
the stuff you see whenever you're dealing with kids.
Okay, so we're just happy that you're happy. If you don't know how to express your newfound joy, we've got a few suggestions. Number 1, what can you do? Tell a friend. Number 2, share your experience by writing a review on Amazon. It's just an owner's manual that'll tell you it's professional, reliable, and it's designed by the USA. Really? Wow, so it's actually charged by USB if you don't have any batteries on hand, which is really cool.
It's so cute. Look at the kitty.
It's a kitty. Okay, so here is design. So let's see. So it's got a section for size D batteries. Not 100% sure, guys, if it just takes batteries. So I'll go by the... A little rage, don't you think? Oh, so that's where you put in the dog food at.
Yeah.
So what it's looking like, guys, is you can put 2.5 pounds of dog food in here, and so with a lot of automatic dog feeders, your food gets stale. But what we're looking at here is the food is held inside of a sealed compartment, and whenever you set the timer, it drops the amount of dog food that's needed. That's pretty cool, huh, buddy? Okay, so apply power. Plug in the USB adapter. If you do not want to use power adapter, you can use and install batteries. Okay, good. So you can either use it by power adapter or battery operated. Pretty cool. Here's the USB. Okay, guys. Wow.
We appreciate it. Thank y'all so much.
So let's see where the connection is at. Just for that, excuse me.
There's a boxing match going on. Bay Area Reef says there's a boxing match going on.
Wow, look at the length, guys. Look at the length of this charger plug. They did send us an extra one, which is real cool of them. And what we decided to do, we decided to bless one of our dedicated followers to the Royal Kennels channel. Thank you again, Sports, for your extra contribution to Royal Kennels. So we have hooked the power up. We have our instruction manual. I see now it's showing that we have a time.
Just so I can go with them. Yes, kids, so you can come.
Wow, so you got a breakfast, a lunch, and dinner meal, which is really cool. And as you can see, both of them on meal size set at 1. So the manual feeding option and function check. Press and hold manual button for 3 seconds. Okay, let's find the manual button. 1, 2, 3. All right, I felt it. All right, buddy, talk to him, man. So set the current time. Press and hold time an hour. So we're not going to go through the actual step of setting the time, but it says to set the time, you press and hold time. The time button simultaneously, click the hour button, and then you click the minute button, which is pretty cool. It gives you a breakdown on how to set it. So for each time of feeding, you press the button, and then you set the time and the hour for the meal time and the meal size. So that's really cool. Okay, so we have the time set. It's 5:45. So to set lunch and dinner meal and the fourth meal as above, press and hold lunch and related button to the set lunch meal. We're gonna open it. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna add really now.
Yes.
Look, guys, they are waiting on it. They smell that dog food, guys.
They're like, hey,
So-
I smell dog food.
Okay, guys, so I'm inside the kennel for the puppies. Now, I have 3 puppies here, but I would say this is more of a design for if you have a 1 puppy or maybe 2 puppies. The bowl is small. These guys are really fighting over it a lot,
Yes.
but it's okay. It's just a great demonstration just to show how effective this little thing is and how it actually works. You can see the puppies right now.
Yeah.
They're going crazy
Look at
for
that.
it. They're waiting on this food. They can smell it.
Not really
Good. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna count down, wait for it, and once it drops, I'm gonna let the puppies go, guys. Are y'all ready?
Yeah. Can I count it down?
And look what else the box could be used for.
I love it.
Guys, so it did go off.
I'm grateful for those who watch. I don't take advantage of I don't take advantage of y'all at all. I don't look at you guys as a number.
Right.
Okay. So now it's at lunchtime at minutes.
You guys are what keeps this table. Because hey, I can be doing I'll get on my first.
Okay, guys. So it's now coming out.
I had 4 reserved on the industry list, so I do have 3 available. 3 picks that are available. I have this mail. If you want a mail on Houston History, then you know what.
Let's say, for an example, that you guys are at work and the puppies are in the kennel like this. You can set up to 4 meals. 4 meals for that day. Just set the time, go ahead to work, and you're still getting your food, and you can have your water on the side. So I think it's a real effective thing, for puppies inside your house. Or if you have one small dog, like the toy breed, just say like a Yorkie, Pomeranian, a smaller dog, that you have inside your house that's potty trained. You can set up your feeder, have its time set, and you don't have to worry about if the dog ate or not. So it's a real cool thing. Thank you so much, Watchboard, for trusting us to do this sponsorship video for you guys. We do like the Whoppers. We have it right here. They also sent us, like I said, an extra one for us to bless one of our subscribers. So thank you for believing in Royal Kennels all together. What you think, dude? Puppies are eating. Get it, mama.
So I never put them on their wheels. I don't really like that, but I do have a guy. I actually put diesel on
The Wopet feeder is now empty. It dispensed the food at the time that I had it set, and it also distributed the amount of food that I had it set. So I think all in all, it was a success. This is a very nice, durable feeder. From the looks of this puppy, it is nice and full and sleeping. Don't forget, there's a 10% off link in the description for a promotion code. And I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed the whole promotion. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless y'all.